English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 51.
If you're cold, put on a coat. If you feel sick, call a doctor. If the traffic is bad, cycle to work. Don't stay up late if you're tired.
How to form first conditional with imperative. Use if followed by the present simple to describe a problem. The imperative gives the solution to the problem. If you're cold, put on a coat.
If you get lost, ask someone for directions. Open the window if you need some fresh air. If you get too cold, turn on the heating. If you see Malik, tell him I tried to call him. Remember to lock the door if you go out this afternoon.
If you're thirsty, drink more water. If you don't like your job, look for a new one. If you like those shoes, buy them. Help yourself if you want some more food. If you need to talk to someone, call me. Take a break if you feel stressed.
Hello, sweetheart. I hear you're selling your house. Why? If you need money, just ask.
Dad, you're so kind, but no thanks. I'm buying a smaller house so I can use the money to visit my kids in Australia more often. If you're shocked, think about how happy that'll make me.
What will you do with all your furniture?
I'll sell the big stuff and just keep what I need. If you want anything, come and take it.
Are you sure about this?
I'm actually seeing things more clearly than ever before. I'm also leaving my job at the bank and retraining as a counsellor. Live more simply if you want to be happy.
Well, if that's how you feel, then go for it.
To slow your pace. Possessions. Your surroundings. To downsize. To delegate tasks. Constantly.
If you're always tired in the morning, go to bed earlier. If you're stressed at work, go for a walk during your lunch break. If you're always checking your emails, turn off your smartphone. If you like that car, buy it. If you're lonely, visit me this weekend.
End of Lesson 51.